How much time do you need for the charitable trust? Are we talking months, years? What's the scope of that?
We've seen it done pretty quickly. Here's the main rules: you can't have a letter of intent or hired your person to broker the business deal yet. There might be some ways around it, but that's just the general rule. You know, the 1202. I don't know. It just depends on how quick your team can be at maneuvering certain things. But if you are kind of really late to the game, it's not as advantageous, but it is still advantageous as something called a CAPS trust, CAPS. A CAPS trust, even if it's under contract, even if it's about to be sold, allows you to kind of defer the taxes and take it over time. So it's not a big hit right up front, you know, something like a 20-year time frame. And we've got great experts that know all the ins and outs. Think of me as like the 30,000 foot view, tell you kind of basics, and then we bring in the attorneys and the financial nerds that can get really granular and tell you how to navigate all this stuff.
Yeah, absolutely. And I know there's a bunch of kudos came from you joined us in my mastermind in May last year, and several people I know have been singing your praises. So those of you that are watching that are curious about, you know, how this part works, you know, Garrett, you're kind of the one that taught me, like, you know, where you fit in the world, just like what you described is the overall strategy. Like, you've got to figure out your strategy before you can start to get into the tactic levels. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications about new videos and interviews. And introduce yourself in the comments. Are you a buyer or a seller?